What's up, guys? So I'm back at the shop, about to start working on getting the engine out of the car. So right now I got the wiring harness out, and now I'm probably gonna jack up the car, start draining the coolant, and taking the front bumper off so I can get the engine hoist close to it. Pretty much I haven't really done much yet, so all I did is undo the wiring harness so far. So just gonna jack it up, drain the coolant, and then go from there. Alright, so I got the 240 in the air. It's on jack stands, it's good to go, ready and sturdy. So what I'm gonna do now is I might take the front bumper off first, because I don't know if I have a container to hold all the coolant. The one I have is full, so I'm gonna take the bumper off, and then I'll probably run to the store and I guess drain the fluid. What's up, guys? So I'm back working on the 240. Today I'm gonna try pulling the engine out. Pretty much it's ready to go right now. I already got the radiator out. I took out all the plumbing and all the vacuum lines, so it should be ready to pull right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on trying to get the chains on the engine, that way I can start pulling. So hopefully this goes by smoothly. Usually it's like a 50-50 chance, so I guess we'll see this time how it goes.
Is that my DNA? Loyalty. Is that my DNA? Loyalty. Is that my DNA? Loyalty. Is that my DNA?
I got royalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter beats got war and peace inside my DNA. I got power, poison, pain, and joy inside my DNA. I got hustle, though, ambition, flow inside my DNA.
So the engine's out, and pretty much it's ready to get teared down. The only issue I'm having is I didn't bring my impact, so I gotta come back another day so I could impact off the flywheel and the clutch. So after that, I should be good to start tearing it down and see what's up, why I started knocking it in the first place. So I guess that's it for this time. I guess I'll catch you back in the next one and go from there. Peace.